Don't worry, my precious ones. Sammy the Brave will protect you.
Hey, Sammy!
Ah!
What's with all the mess here?
I woke up today being anxious, Susan. I feel like my stationery might be stolen.
By whom? The pencil thieves?
That's not funny at all. My slime instinct never fails me.
Okay. Why don't you just hide everything in the organizers then? We've already made a whole bunch.
Oh, why can't you understand? That's the most obvious place where those burglars will look for them.
Then we can make a fake organizer, which at first glance will have nothing to do with stationery. Let's go! Hi guys! I hope you're in the mood for yet another awesome cardboard craft!
So, is this gonna look like an alligator's head with sharp, scary teeth? Or we will make it in the shape of… a car, which will drive away the burglars really fast?
Oh, sweet sugar! Sammy, I can't stop being amazed by your vivid imagination.
I know! We'll make our organizer in a form of a knight's armor suit, like the ones they have in castles!
What are you talking about?
This shiny paper strip, my lady!
Sorry, Sammy, but you're as far from the right guess as possible. Guys, always work carefully with the glue.
Then I don't see how today's organizer is going to differ from the ones that we've already made!
Keep guessing, Sammy! Here we go! Oh, nice color! And the back side of our organizer is in its place.
Aha! If it has a back side, it might also have some other sides.
Very well. Only these pieces need a slight adjustment. That's more like it. We need one more piece like this.
So far it looks like she's making a box or something. Let's take a closer look. Yep, I was right. I mean, Sherlock Slimes was right.
Maybe Sir Slimes already knows what this is gonna be?
A true detective always has mini versions. Is this going to be a mini house for pens and pencils?
Nope, but there will be a door with a window.
Fine, Sue, I give up. I have no ideas left. Please, tell me, what are you making?
Okay, but first, let me remind the guys to be careful with the glue gun. Now this piece goes right here.
Interesting. Some kind of shelf, huh?
We'll make a few shelves and drawers in this organizer in the shape of a microwave oven.
What? It's mind-blowing! Am I right, guys? Give a thumbs up if you agree! That's why you've made the silver edges to all those pieces!
Yup! To make the whole thing look even more like a home appliance. But we can still make it look bright enough, right?
Ooh, can I pick the colors? Pretty please!
Sure.
Yippee! The world's greatest decorator, Samuel, already knows what to do!
I just hope that he won't get too carried away. In the meantime, guys, let's make one more shiny edge.
Susan, don't forget to add some vibrant color to that piece!
Way ahead of you, Sammy. See for yourself. And I never forget to be careful with the glue gun, guys.
You can also trust an adult with this job, people!
By the way, Sammy, did you come up with something interesting for the craft?
I'll tell you about it in a minute, Susie! In a minute. Alright, and this one.
What's that?
Hey, I didn't finish yet!
And what is this?
Hello? It's gonna be the door for our microwave oven!
But it's kind of too small for our craft. You took the measurements wrong.
What? But I tried so hard! Oh, why does this always happen to me? I shouldn't have rushed!
I know what to do!
Really?
I have a magic growth potion! Check this out! A bit of this, just a few drops, and… now we're talking!
Wow, Sue, you're a genius! But what about the middle part?
For that, I know another great trick. What's going on? Come on! Finally, it worked!
I know what you need! Here, take this, Susie! We're gonna touch that opening up to get something like this! It should look awesome!
Wow, that's very ambitious, Sammy! Okay, I'll try to do my best. Let's get started!
Guys, you are gonna need a lot of patience at this stage.
You don't say! But if you want your craft to look perfect, trust me, it's worth it.
A true crafter knows how to make simple things look pretty. Hey, what's going on?
Sorry, Sammy, I couldn't resist. Anyway, something's missing.
I know! Every microwave oven has glass in its door. We can make one from... Oh, this might work!
Actually, I already kinda dealt with it. Sammy? Stand still, I'll take it off.
Ugh, thanks, Susie.
How on earth did you manage to get tangled in this?
That's a mystery for me as well. It's like 1 second I only think about grabbing something, and in the next second, bam! I get stuck!
Well then, let's hide that nasty silver strip. And it won't hurt you again.
Don't forget about the holder that will actually hold that door!
How could I? Oh, you even reinforced it with the double-sided tape. Well done!
Guys, this will be the last stage with that door.
Here we go. Check this out. It opens and closes.
Do you want to find out what else I came up with? Then stay tuned, people!
All right, Sammy, let's deal with the other compartments.
And I have already prepared everything, Sue!
Wow, great! Now, guys, I'm gonna show you one new magic trick that I've recently mastered. Well, what do you say? Cool drawer, huh?
Shiver me cheddars! How did you know this was the color I had in mind?
We've been crafting together long enough for me to know that one for sure.
Oh yeah? In that case, you will easily guess how I made this!
Uh-huh, this construction is made of cardboard and some colored paper. And apparently it goes right here, as well as this piece.
Susie, doesn't that place seem a bit too simple to you?
What exactly are you talking about?
There should be a way to make it look more microwave oven-y. And I'm gonna find it!
Good luck with that. In the meantime, guys, check this out.
Oh, I was afraid this day would come.
What day?
The day when Samuel the Great will be out of decor ideas. I couldn't come up with anything.
Don't worry, Hail Tibba I've got you.
Whoa, what are these, Sue? So many colors.
These are gonna save you, Samuel the Great, from an epic decor failure.
I'd like to see that.
All we need is to put everything together, starting with yellow. Wow, Sammy, you did the rest!
Yup, and note that the inside of the drawers match with their handles and color.
You're right!
Wow, Sue! Our craft really looks like a microwave oven now!
Almost! We just need to come up with something for this space.
Wait! I think I have a perfect idea! Just give me a sec! Are you ready? Voila!
Now that's what I call teamwork. We're at the finish line, guys. Stay tuned. This way the craft looks neater. Right, guys?
Oh, my favorite part of this craft is about to begin! Did we miss it, Susie? Where did the pencils go?
You're right in time. Hup. This little ring made of foam paper will hold a pen or pencil. Very handy.
I know a perfect candidate for that place, Sue! Here, take this one!
All right! Here we go. Excellent! And this won't let the pen get lost. We'll just glue it over here.
Susie, could you hurry up, please? Hey, stop pushing me! Our stationery is quite impatient.
Okay, I'll try to wrap it up then. Guys, don't forget that you can get creative and make your microwave oven organizer look just the way you want.
Sue's right! And you can fill up these drawers with something tasty as well!
Aw, somebody got hungry.
Yeah. After such a cool craft, I wouldn't mind a cup of hot chocolate. Oops!
These handles look just like the microwave oven buttons.
Holy cannoli! You've just cooked a bunch of notebooks, Sue! Whoa, stop! The markers were defo somewhere here!
They fit in perfectly right here. Check this out. And close. Well, Sammy, I guess we're done.
Actually, I have a couple more decor ideas. Give me a sec to do them off camera, and then you'll check out our organizer!
Okay, let's see. Sam. And heart! Sweet! I hope Sammy will enjoy this organizer for a long time.
Ugh, Susie, we've got so many stationery items left. Why don't we make another organizer in the form of a fridge?
No way!
Or a washing machine?
Guys, I better go before Sammy comes up with another crazy idea. Bye-bye, everyone!
An organizer in the form of a